Hey and hello guys, welcome to an exciting and thrilling video of our channel Cool Gadget. So if you are visiting us first time, then don't forget to subscribe to us. In today's video we are going to show you top 5 amazing and fantastic tech gadgets which are changing the world. To know about them, watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, Lark Bottle. The Lark Bottle is a reusable, rechargeable, insulated water bottle that cleans itself, and water you put inside it with digital purification from UVC light. Your water and bottle is purified at the touch of one button. The Lark Bottle is designed to solve the biggest consumer pain points, so there are no more excuses to reach for that one-use plastic bottle. Whether you are on the trail, at the gym or in the office, you know that staying hydrated helps you feel and perform your best. So don't think twice about whether you want to grab a refill, explore new trails and new countries with confidence. Even when you are not sure about your water source, you can count on Lock to eliminate bacterial and viral contaminants. Lock combines the power of the sun with the advances of the digital age. The UVC LED chips in the Lock are smaller, more energy efficient, less toxic and more economical compared to the traditional mercury-based UV technology. Second, Mag Bulb. Mag Bulb is a brilliant solution for people who don't like to waste time on the monotonous task. In most cases, you have to use both hands to change a bulb, one hand to unscrew and the other to steady the base of the holder. Pair that with the balancing on the top of a 3-meter high ladder and safety levels drop significantly. Mag bulbs require only one hand to change the bulb, making it safer, quicker and easier to complete a once daunting task. Mag bulbs minimize the inconvenience to diminish the potential for injuries when it comes to replacing broken lamps. No twist, just unplug. With Mag bulb you don't need pliers or any other tools to remove your light bulbs. Third, Ludi Case. Ludi Case is an iPhone case that all new generation wants. It combines polycarbonate shell and soft touch materials for uncompromising protection. Ludi Case may be one of the coolest cases you will ever own. It's more than the other simple stress relievers out there. It offers multiple ways to reduce stress. Try it, you will love it. Ludi Case powerfully safeguards your phone with an intelligent drop-safe protection. Impact is absorbed and dissipated. And Ludi Case it combines polycarbonate shell and soft materials for the uncompromising protection. The Ludi Case 2.5D tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone is more than the mere size. The rounded edges, other comfort in the hand and compatibility with your Ludi Case for extreme protection. Fourth, Vox. Vox is the world's first environmental simulator for PC gaming. Vox creates wind and heat effects synchronized with the action on the screen. Vox analyzes the audio and video of a game to trigger physical effects. Experience the heat from every grenade explosion or the wind whipping across your face as you dive into the intense battle royale match. A multifunction sensitivity dial lets you set the perfect amount of airflow and heat. For an individually tuned experience, the dial easily lets you choose an ideal color that matches your rig. During gameplay, Vox will be automatically match the scene on your screen. Fifth, Zwim. Zwim lets you check real-time activity data via an integrated heads-up display in the middle of swimming. It detects and calculates time, heart rate, laps, etc., displaying them in front of your eyes no time. Whether you are a professional swimmer or a weekend warrior, Zwim will help you achieve your goal. Every training you may always want to keep track of time in swimming sessions. You may also want to check your pace while swimming. A big old clock on the side of the pool might have been helping, but in a very limited way. Zwim displays time by a fraction of seconds. You may initiate a beginning of a session by pressing start button on the button in the device. Then you will be able to check elapsed time as you continue to swim. Combined with turn detection of the motion sensors, Zwim will track lap times and make them available for you at any time. So if you like our video, don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily updates.